I have found a private donor.
Hey, good evening, everybody. Meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli. Still tracking storms here in the KNOP News 2 Weather Center. We had those severe thunderstorms and tornadoes out toward the Ogallala area, and these storms are continuing to make their way off to the east. Here's what we have as of right now. We still have that tornado warning. That is in effect, but it is for rural areas, basically between Paxton, Sutherland, and the Wallace area. Paxton and Sutherland are not included in this tornado warning, but the city of Wallace is. That tornado warning does go until 8:15 Central, 7:15 p.m. Mountain Time, but once again, it is in very rural areas. So if you do live in this polygon, take your severe weather precautions. Another tornado warning. These are for Doppler indicated tornadoes. There it is just off to the south of Madrid area for portions of southeastern Perkins County. That does go until 7 p.m. Mountain Time, so if you live in that area, definitely be aware of that. Also, we do have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings. This main severe thunderstorm warning just issued basically is for portions of eastern Keith and Perkins County, and now getting into western Lincoln County, including Paxton, Sutherland, and Wallace, and points off to the south, not including North Platte yet. This is the main storm warning across the viewing area for wind gusts of 70 miles per hour. The tornado threat is going to lower from these storms, and it's going to become a strong wind event. 70 to 80 mile per hour winds is not out of the question, and the strongest winds are going to be on the front end of this system. Estimated arrival time in North Platte, mainly between 8:15 and 8:20. So even though we're not in a warning now, prepare now for strong winds. It looks like there could be a tornado threat, but we're hoping that goes off to the south. Also, we do have another severe thunderstorm warning. This one was just issued, and it does include, we'll read this one, it just popped up here. This one is for portions of southeastern Perkins, eastern Chase, southwestern Lincoln, and Hayes counties. That does go until 8:30 Central, 7:30 p.m. Mountain Time. In this polygon, this could be a hail producer, especially just off to the north and to the east of Imperial, so watch out for that. 60 mile per hour winds also possible. Let's take a look one more time at the hail producer, the hail producing thunderstorms, and it looks like you can see the hail size here. The light blues are approaching quarter-sized hail, 1-inch hail. These darker blues are half-dollar-sized hail. You can see just off to the north of Elsie, and maybe up to golf ball-sized hail off to the south of Elsie. Good news is the worst of the hail is in rural areas, but remember, this is moving off to the east. One more time with the estimated arrival time in North Platte around 8:15 to 8:20. We're not in a warning yet. They do have a lot of warnings off to the west in those rural areas, so definitely be prepared for that as we go through time. And we're going to send you back to normal programming, and we'll be back here cutting in as the storm does make its way through North Platte.
After 2 starter doses, serious allergic reactions and an increased risk of infections or a lower ability to fight them may occur. Tell your